So students, we are learning geometry and you have gone through previous video and you have got some conception, and of course you are knowing all these things. Then we have revised and recollected our previous memory of the basic terms of geometry. What are the key points, what are the things we are supposed to know before we proceed in the depth of geometry. That is what we have discussed in the previous video. I hope you have gone through it and you have understood. The exercise after the first lesson is very simple. The first exercise of geometry, two questions given to you, objective type, that is one is fill in the blanks. The things are very easy only, and the questions given to you is an infinite number. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. An infinite number of lines can be passes through a given point will be the answer. You know that from a point infinite number of lines can be drawn. A number of straight line passing through two distinct point is two distinct point. How many straight line can be drawn? One will be the answer. Then question number 3, only one line passes through how many points? Two given points. 2 will be the answer. Then question number 4, a line segment has got how many endpoints? 2 endpoints will be the answer. 2 will be the answer. Fifth one, a dash has only one endpoint. Which has got only one endpoint? Ray is having the starting point, which is the endpoint. Now question number 5, question number 6, a dash has no endpoint. Which has got no endpoint? Line has got no endpoint because it moves on infinite to the both the direction. Now moving on to question number 2, identify the true or false. Only two lines passes through two given points. Can you pass two straight line from two given point? No, only one straight line. Therefore it is false. A straight line has a finite length. A line has got a definite length. No, it is false. A line segment is completely known if one endpoint is known. Line segment can be known if one endpoint is known. No, line segment has got two endpoints. Therefore it is false. So then fourth one, a ray has got a definite length. A ray will not have the definite length because it can go infinite to one direction. So it has got infinite length, indefinite length. Now only one line segment can be drawn through two given points. One line segment can be given through two endpoints. Yes, of course, through two endpoints only one line segment will be drawn. Correct. True. Only one ray can be drawn from a given point. One ray can you draw from a given point? If you have got a point, from there only one ray. This is one ray, that is one ray, another ray, this is one ray. Infinite number of ray can be drawn from a given point. I hope you understood it. Now then the length of the line segment is the distance between its endpoint. It's also true because line segment, two endpoints distance only. This line segment will be measured from this endpoint to this endpoint. That's also true. Okay, moving on to question number 3. How to symbolically write, how will you denote the following? Means symbolically write line straight line AB. AB will be written as on top line segment line symbol. Whatever I can say to you, line segment means line segment light symbol. If it is say line means both the side arrow. If it is said ray means one side arrow. But you have to see ray, which is the starting point and which is the end point. That you have to see. So you can do rest all. Question number 4 is said to you. C is the middle point of the line segment AB. I have done here. You just see. That is C is the middle point on the line AB. C is the middle point. Definitely AB is divided into two. That is AC plus BC. AC and BC are equal. So AC is equal to 7 centimeter. As C is the midpoint, you can say middle point as midpoint also. That is geometrical term. Middle point of any line segment will be called as midpoint. So C is the midpoint. Therefore, on AB, midpoint on AB, line segment AB. Therefore, AC is equal to BC. BC will be 7 centimeter because AC is 7 centimeter. That's the first answer. The second answer is you have to find out AB. AB is equal to AC plus BC. So 7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, 14 centimeter will be the answer. So second answer is 14 centimeter. Moving on to question number 5. Question number 5 is very simple. I didn't do because you can't do it. See, question number 5 said to you A, B, C are the three. Question number 5, if you just undertake, then what will happen? A, B, C are the three collinear points. Suppose here is point A, here is point B, here is point C. How many line segment can be? AB, BC. Line segment can be AB, BC and completely AC also from here to here. It's not very simple. I hope you have understood it. Now moving on to question number 6. Name the line segment of the given figure. That is also very simple. Here is a pentagon and the two diagonals as given. So start from one point and then give a cyclic order. Then you go for the diagonals also. If diagonal is bisected, then those two separately bisection part you count it, and then total part also you count it. Suppose here is another diagonal bisecting, here is O point. So OA, OB, OD also line segment, OB and OE also, then AD and BD also. Could you understand? As the question given to you is like this. So what will be? You start from A, AB, BC, CD, DE and EA, then AD and BD. So line segment will be AB, BC, CD, DE, EA, AD and BD. I hope you have understood. Things are very simple. First exercise. Now moving on to the second exercise, which is the last lesson of your first terminal exam, that is angles. That is also a very simple lesson. You all know it till we'll give some revision and we will do the exercise sum so that your previous knowledge will be polished and your knowledge will be enhanced. Now let us do, before I move on to this angle lesson, I will give you some of the learning objectives, the key words of this lesson. What is what? Unit of measurement of angle. First of all, angle is what? Angle means when two rays are meeting. No, suppose here is a ray OA and here is a ray OB. So they are meeting in a common point. This common point is called the vertex. This is called vertex. This O is called the vertex. And this opening is called the angle. So angle will be, this angle is denoted by this sign, like L like sign. See, this particular point should be indicating. It can be written with the other 2 point also, angle. Then that vertex should be in the middle, AOB, or angle sign BOA. Either of the way you can write down. Could you understand? So angle unit is degree. Degree is the angle unit. So what the degree is? See, in the through the protector only you can measure angle, and once you measure this particular opening, no, see, suppose this is 30 and on top we write down this symbol which is called degree. This is called degree. So unit of measurement of angle is called degree. Say degree, if you this arm is completely rotating and coming to its original position, it will have 360 degree. Complete rotation is 360 degree. So degree, it has got 60 rotation. 60, it has a small unit like 60. So 1 degree is having 60 minute, and 1 minute is having 60 second. Could you understand me? That you remember is 1 degree is 60 minute, and minute is symbolized like this, and second is symbolized with 2 dot. So 1 minute is equal to 60 second. That you remember. Now we'll move on to the classifications of angle, which is very simple. They are classified into acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, zero angle, or whole angle or so. That I will teach you. Acute angle is what? See, see this whiteboard. This, assume this is a side and this is another side. This opening is how much? 90 degree, as you all know. So one line is perpendicular to other line. The opening is 90 degree, which is called right angle, isn't it? So in respect to right angle, all the angles, suppose this is 90 degree, and these all angles lesser than 90 degree, lesser than 90 degree, this angle, this angle, this angle, even this angle, all the angle 0 degree to 90 degree, all are called acute angle. Could you understand? But more than 90 degree to 180 degree, see, on a point this is 180 degree, isn't it? So more than, here is suppose 90 degree, all this angle, this opening, this opening, this opening, all these things which is 90 degree to 180 degree are called obtuse angle. So could you understand the angle which is 0 degree to 90 degree, all this measured angle will be called as acute angle. 90 degree to 180 degree will be obtuse angle. Straight angle will be equal to 180 degree on a straight line, any point forming 180 degree, which is called a straight line. Could you understand? Now reflex angle is what? Reflex angle, see, on this is the point. No, if this is the straight angle, this particular point, this is straight angle, these all from, see, this opening, this, so 180 degree till 360 degree, all the angle are reflex angle. Zero angle is what? See, from a point, that is suppose point A, it hasn't opened, a ray has started and there is no opening, it has merged with itself on the same ray only, then it forms zero angle. What do you understand by whole angle? From this particular point, if complete rotation and given and came, that is called 360 degree, which is called whole angle or complete angle. Could you understand me? Now I will talk to you about one of the very important aspect is adjacent angle. What do you understand by adjacent angle? What do you understand by the word adjacent? Adjacent means attached. Adjacent building means two attached building. Could you understand? So two angles together on attached, this angle and this angle. These two angles, see, it has got a common vertex P, R, S, T. Suppose this ray is PR, this ray is SP, and this ray is PT. So it has got a common vertex P. So for this angle RPS, angle RPS and angle SPT, it has got a common vertex which is called P. So these two angles are called adjacent angle, which has got only the vertex is common for both the angle. They are called adjacent angle. Adjacent angle can be more than 180 also. Adjacent angle can be of 180 degree also. If suppose here is 130 degree and altogether it is 180 degree, means this will be 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. So 50 degree and 130 degree together is also adjacent angle. And adjacent angle, see, one of the arms is also common. See, for this angle SP and for this angle also SP is common. Therefore, this will be adjacent angle. So what do you understand by complementary angle? Complementary angle means together the sum of two angles magnitude together is 90 degree will be called as complementary angle. Complementary angle will be